Thanks to a mix of benchmark leaks and early renders, we're getting our first real glimpse at what the OnePlus 15 could bring to the table. Hey GadInsider, welcome to your tech hub. The next OnePlus flagship is around the corner, and while it's called the OnePlus 15, it's technically the successor to the OnePlus 13. But why did they skip 14? Because in Chinese culture, the number is considered unlucky, and OnePlus isn't taking any chances with what's shaping up to be one of its boldest launches yet. According to reports, the phone will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 Elite 2 chipset with 16GB of RAM, likely on offer, matching the top-tier OnePlus 13 minus the ultra-rare 24GB variant. Benchmark scores for the OnePlus 15 have popped up online, but they're a bit low right now, which is normal for early test versions. There's no need to worry though. The phone's performance is expected to improve as it gets closer to launch. As for the design, tipsters have dropped unofficial sneak peeks showing a sleek new look in black, silver, and deep purple. And the most noticeable change? A square-shaped camera module replacing the circular one from the 13 while still packing 3 rear cameras. An Oppo executive from OnePlus's parent company has even hinted that this might be one of the brand's most impressive designs yet. Although from the leaks, it seems more refined than revolutionary. If OnePlus sticks to its usual schedule, we can get the OnePlus 15 launch in China this November with a global rollout in early 2026. It's still early days, but the signs point to a flagship that's playing it smart and maybe even a little superstitious. Are you a fan of OnePlus smartphones? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe to GadInsider. Hit the bell icon so you stay updated with more tech news.